This week's Friday Fun winner is Polya Petrova, and she has just won herself £10,000 in cash. Hello, is that Polya?
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, good. I'm so happy right now.
Oh,
I
that's
can
great.
imagine that. Yeah.
I'm so glad I got hold of you, because I think, have you been at work today? I think because I called you a couple of times, you couldn't pick up.
Yeah, I am at work after 11 o'clock until 4, so my phone is not with me all the time. So
No problem
sorry
at all.
about
No
this.
problem at all. Do not apologise. I'm glad I got hold of you now. What's your job? Are you working in a warehouse, I believe, at the moment?
Yeah, I work in a warehouse.
Oh, okay.
So I live in Leicester. Sorry about my language right now, because I'm so excited right now.
I'm glad you're really excited. But before I get to the good news...
I can't believe that this has happened to me.
That's all right.
I don't know.
Hey, look,
I'm so lucky.
Exactly. You always need a little bit of luck in life. Can't go wrong with that. So before we get to the good news, you entered our Friday Fun competition. You answered the skill competition question, which was, which of these animals can't fly? Did you know straight away that it was a penguin?
Yes,
yep.
I know, because this is one of my favorite animals.
Oh, is it?
Penguin.
Polya, I am pleased to say that you are this week's Friday Fun winner, picked at random, and you have just won £10,000 in cash.
Yay!
Come on!
Wow!
So that is £10,000 in cash, straight into your bank account. I know it's a bit of a shock. I mean, I know you've been sort of in anticipation all day, but do you know roughly what you'd spend it on, kind of what you do with it?
What to do with them? Oh, I go on holiday. I spend, I have a surgery in April.
Oh, okay.
And I'll cover one of the amount of this money, so
Amazing.
It's okay. I don't know. I can speak right now.
Honestly,
I don't know what to do with this money.
Don't be silly. So many people that myself and Christian call, it's a complete variety of winners. Sometimes they're in complete excitement. Sometimes they're in shock. They just have no expression. Well, like I said, many, many congratulations, Polya. I'm so glad that we could get hold of you today and give you the good news that you've just won £10,000 in cash.
And the weekend can start, yay!
Woo! Like I said, many, many congratulations, and we'll speak to you soon.
Oh, thank you.
Perfect. All right, have a nice rest of your day. Bye.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.